Welcome back, guys. So today our topic is about how to create a custom login page using Elementor for free. So let's begin. So let me show you the demo. After watching this complete video, you will get this login form. Here you can see a beautiful login form here on this page. So after watching this complete video, so you will get this. So let me go to dashboard. Then just click on plugin and then click on add new plugin. So here we need to search for Sina extension. So here is the Sina extension plugin. So we need to install and activate the Sina extension plugin. So Sina extension for Elementor by Sina Extra. So after installing this plugin, we need to activate this plugin as well. And after activating this plugin, so we need to go to pages. Here you can see and then click on add new page. And here click on write the title. So I will write login and I will click on edit with Elementor. So now I will click on plus icon, then flex box, and I will choose these two containers. Then here I will click on six dots here, and then I will go to advanced section, and here I will click on here, and I will give it 100 margin from top and 100 from bottom. And then I will go to layout, and then I will make the width. Let me make it 800. So here you can see 800. So now I will click on here and I will go to my widget section and then I will drag and drop the image section. I will click on choose image and here I will choose this image. I will select it and I will go back to my widget section again. So here I will search for login. So here you can see Tina login form. I will drag and drop it here. Then I will go back to my widget section again. Then I will drag and drop the adding here so you can see. And I will write here login. And I will go to style tab. And here I will click on typography. So let me change the typography here. So let me make it something like this. So I think it's looking quite good compared to this one. And here I will click on form section. I will go to style tab and in this section here and fields and remember text. So I can change the border color as well. So let me change the border color to this one here. And I will change the background color as well. So I will change the background color like this and the border color something like this. So now it's looking quite good. But I will click on email and then you can see the width is not 100%. So here on width I will click on pixel. I will change px to percent. So now I will give it 100% here and I will go to password as well, password section, and then change the px to percent and I will make the width 100% here as well and submit button. So you can change the submit button width as well. So I will make it percent as well and let me make it 35. So it's looking quite good. So border radius, let me make it 20. I think it's looking quite good. Yeah. So let me change, let me click on fields and remember text section and here let me give it a radius of 10. So now it's looking quite good. Let me click on publish and let me preview it. So now you can see Compared to this one here, it's looking quite good. So let me click on here and let me give it what is here. So I think 30 is quite good. So now you can see. So let me show you the tablet view. So here you can see the tablet view, and let me show you the mobile view as well. So now you can see, if you want to make this center, let me make it center, then click on publish. So let me show you the tablet view as well, the desktop view as well. So you can see looking quite good. If you want to make this one center here, so now you can see it's looking quite good. Just click on container and make the justify content here center, then click on publish, and here you can see now looking quite good and user friendly as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. So one more thing, if you want to buy or purchase Elementor Pro, so you can use my link in the description. So thank you so much for watching this video.